You're looking at a sweeper that has kind of made my life a lot easier. I have a furry friend, and this does a great job at picking up the hair, putting it in a basket instead of a bag, which saves a lot of money. I love how the basket area works. Here's the tank release. You just hit that button, and what you can do here, you can lift up here. You have access to your filter area and the other filter, which is right there. I shut that, turn it around this way. Another neat thing about this, watch this. You just hit the button, releases all the dirt. That's simple. Nice rubber seals here, keeps all the dirt in there where you want it. Rubber seal there to keep everything from your bagless, all your dirt going where it needs to go. So let me come back here, show you the two buttons on this. You have the on button. And I push this down. That's how we do it. This button turned on. You turn that on. Stop the rotation. Turn that on. Slide this down. There you go. Come back here. Hit that. Even though it's down, it stops it because I have it on off. I think that's a nice idea, to be able to control the rotation of that with the touch of a button. This is the wand release. You push down on this, your wand comes up. When it comes up here, you're attached to here. I just go like that to release that, and you can use your the reattachments that are included. The first one I'll show you is this one for the hair from your furry friends. This has on the bottom here, I'll show it to you, has the bristles there and the little pads there to keep it off of your couch where it doesn't tear it up, which is nice. I'm just going to show you on steps how it works. I'm just going to come over here, hit the on button. Now, I found this best because the wheels are spinning this way to just pull back. Going forward is a lot of resistance. So this kind of is designed to just go this way with this device on it. You can pop that off. Okay, when that's off, you have two other attachments that you can hook up. I just showed them to you. They're kind of basic. You have this one, and you also have the little brushes there if you want to use that. And the other device that you have is, whoops, I have to put one back in to show you. Just come back up here, snap that in, that's simple. This snaps onto here if you want to have your devices with you, your attachments. So this is a sweeper. I think it works great. Really easy to use there. And another device I'll show you here that's kind of hidden on this is back here you have a place for low carpet and high carpet. As you notice, there was no button there for low or high. You just hit this and it makes the adjustment of the rod ever so slightly, but it does that. I'm on low carpet here, that's why I had it up here. But at my home with my furry friends, I put it on plush carpet. So it goes up into space, locks up pretty easy. I just stepped there for it. But when you push it up there, it just locks into place. So this is a sweeper. I think it does a great job. This is about how long the cord is, just so you get an idea. I wouldn't say the cord is extremely long. I would describe it more of a medium cord, but I still have some extra there. So keep that in mind. Definitely long enough to get you where you want to be in a house size room. So, all right, there's the sweeper. It works great. I love the baglessness of it, and it does a great job at staying tangled free and being able to raise it and lower it from the button up here as well, and the two buttons on the side that controls different things. So yeah, I covered the basics of the sweeper. There's the cord winders where you put them. And it works really nice, and very pleased with it.
Let me find it. All of it or one? Not all of it? One. Okay. Wow. Listen. Here's the question. Can we talk to you? Next. Oh, you can house? I can do all of it.
Careful. Zosha? Are you okay? Yeah, I thought you were screaming. After lunch.
Okay.
This is the new Bissell MultiClean Allergen Pet Vacuum Cleaner. And we haven't had carpet till recently because we just bought this house. And I've been using a Miele canister type vac, and it doesn't have a beater bar on the front. So we thought we were getting our carpets clean. And we just ran this in this little section of hallway right here to this spot, and already this canister is so full of dog hair and so full of I don't know what on the bottom. And this is amazing how much this thing is picked up. And that's just a short hallway. It's quiet, but it really digs down deep into the rug and it gets it super clean. This is an amazing machine. I absolutely love this vacuum cleaner.
Move, Gizmo. this is after 2 minutes of vacuum cleaning. And I mean, I have a dog who constantly itches and sweats. My house is a mess. And oh my God, if I were a maid, if I had to be, this is the vacuum cleaner I would use. It's awesome. And I don't write product reviews, so